The relationship between Zimbabwe's military and its political leadership has always been complex and deeply intertwined. The 2017 military intervention, which led to Robert Mugabe's resignation and Mnangagwa's presidency, underscored the military's significant role as a political kingmaker. However, this alliance appears to be fraying as Mnangagwa seeks to consolidate power further. Zisanapena mashoko kubudanyo kwapangwa inwe chinongwa chinzi A History of Military Intervention and Political Tensions. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnaumwa budanyo kwa mchinzi. Factionalism within the ruling ZANU-PF party, particularly between Mnangagwa's ED2030 camp and the Vice President Kosano Chiwenga's faction, has been a persistent undercurrent. Chiwenga, a former military chief who spearheaded the 2017 coup, is widely considered Mnangagwa's primary rival and potential successor. The appointment of Lieutenant General retired Anselm Sanyatwe as army chief in October 2023, a few months after the August 2023 elections, was seen as a strategic power play within this dynamic. While Sanyatwe was once a close ally, the current situation suggests a shift in allegiances or a broader military consensus against the proposed constitutional changes. Recent incidents further highlight the military's continued influence and the volatile political climate. On March 31, 2025, the military deployed into the streets in response to planned protests, effectively quelling dissent and demonstrating their firm grip to the new dispensation. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the military's readiness to intervene in civilian affairs, a power they seem unwilling to relinquish. Doma developments are Pombo Zimbabwe pamnawo awa Vision 2030. Pinagome section medu zofungura enyi mutu dipa msari pechitu kwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell.